Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. This is going to be a template preview video. Okay, so just to let you know, you guys know where I get my ideas from. I always go on Etsy and Google and see what what kind of party favors other people are making, other crafters are making, so that I can try to bring it to you for your own shop or business. So this was another template that I stumbled upon and I thought was super cute. And that is for these little K-cups, the little coffee things. And they were doing it wedding thing. I thought these were super cute. Mine's just say eat, drink, and be married. Anthony and Tiffany. I think it's super cute to give out. What were they giving it out for? I forget, but hey, the measurements are going to be over on my Patreon page. You guys are free to get as creative with this as possible. These would also be good for like tea parties. Yeah, I think this was super cute. As soon as I seen it, I was like, oh yeah, gotta do that. If you have any questions about this at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.